Don't forget, well, as Barry says.
When it comes to getting dressed, certain rules apply.
Huh?
Underwear before your pants, shirt before your tie.
Oh, that does look better.
Everything you don from head to toe goes on in a sequence that you need to know. So, socks on first, shoes on second. That's what I say.
Shoe up,
socks on first, shoes on second. Not the other way. If you put your shoes on first, socks on second, for goodness sake.
Shoe up.
Your socks will get holes from stretching, and your toes will ache. But presuming you got your shoes on, are they tight and true? If not, make a half knot in the loop, loop the loop and pull it.
Shoe up, a loop up.
Socks on first, shoes on second. That's how it is.
Shoe up.
Socks on first, shoes on second. When you're in shoe biz.
Soft shoes.
Shoehorn.
Sock hop.
Saxophone.
Sock cymbal.
But presuming you got your shoes on, are they tight and true? If not, make a half knot and a loop, loop the loop and pull it.
Shoe up, a loop up.
Socks on first, shoes on second. Simple as pie.
Shoe up.
Socks on first, shoes on second. What a well-dressed guy.
Thank you.
You could be Beau Brummel's pal with your shoes on second and your socks.
Put your socks on. Put your socks on first. Shoes on second.
You made that Beau Brummel guy up, didn't you?
Yeah.